Yes, that is possible. Wag lang yung tuition. So it's either or. So it's either or always. In any country that you will go to, it's either you sustain through your part-time job, your cost of living, or your tuition fees. While it is possible for to sustain both, pero higpit sinturon ka talaga. As in, yung lifestyle mo dito sa Philippines, hindi siya magiging applicable doon. And at the same time, most of the time talaga, you will do cash jobs, which I don't really recommend since it's very risky. So, kung ganun klase yung financial capacity mo ngayon pa lang, I will not parang encourage it to do that. However, kung talagang para sa assistance for your accommodation or yung sa food, that is possible. Pero you really need to have at least to cover your tuition fees for at least 6 months. And then once na parang feeling mo, okay, alam mo na kung saan ka pupuntang supermarket at saan ka makakatipid, saan ka ganyan, alam mo yon, then you can always save for your next month's tuition fee. Parang ganyan.